Hi guys, welcome back to a series in layman terms. In this video, let us understand everything that we should know about data. Okay. Now, what do you mean by data? Data is nothing but everything, images, videos, text, everything, right? Whatever you say, it is data. That is data. Now, what do you mean by information then? Information is nothing but whatever we have, if it is structured, then we say it is information. What do you mean by knowledge? Knowledge is nothing but whatever we understand from information, then we implement that is nothing but knowledge. So in a very layman terms, data is nothing but whatever we have. It can be images, it can be videos, it can be text, it can be PDFs, everything whatever we have is data. If it is structured, then we call that as an information. Whatever data that is structured, we understand that and try to implement that is nothing but knowledge. So this everything, there's the main difference between data, information and knowledge, guys. Now we have understood everything about data, information and knowledge. Now let us understand different types of data, guys. If you see, there are types of data. Mainly there are two types of data here: qualitative data and quantitative data. Quantitative data is nothing but numbers. Qualitative data is nothing but text, guys. To remember it very easily, right? If you see here, in quantitative we have n here, guys, n, so it represents nothing but numbers. Okay, coming to qualitative data, it is nothing but text. Now, based on the way we are representing, if we are representing it, if you are taking numbers, then it is a quantitative. If you are dealing with text, then it is categorical data. Now coming back to quantitative data, again it is divided into discrete data and continuous data, guys. If you see discrete data is nothing but it is a fixed value. Let's say 1, 2, they are fixed, guys. If it is continuous, right, it is nothing but 1.2, 1.4. It is nothing but a floating value, guys. It is nothing but a floating value. So this is continuous data, discrete data. Coming to qualitative data, we have nominal data and ordinal data. If you see ordinal data, right, ordinal is nothing but anything which can be ordered. Let's say I am giving ranks: first rank, second rank, third rank. See, all this can be ordered in the ascending order or descending order. If you come to nominal data, if I say red, green, this data cannot be ordered on any of the conditions, guys. So data which can be ordered is ordinal data. Data which cannot be ordered is nothing but nominal data, guys. This is the whole information that you should know about data, information, knowledge, different types of data, everything, guys.